Dum, da, dum, 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 dum. First day of school.
I'm excited.
What grade I got in?
3rd grade. One of my friends over here that lives near us, she goes to the same school as me and she'll be getting on the bus as well.
Nice. You look ready.
I'll be able to see her.
Love it. Turn around. Hey. Alright.
Also, these shoes make me 1 inch taller. See?
Let's go.
I have a backpack.
You're
Also, we need to throw a string on backpack. Mama said that.
The same one I took off the brand? Alright, sorry,
Same one.
Alright, go here. Alright. Alright guys, we finally head out, you know. And it's a beautiful morning. Alright, time to start run because, you know, after a while, they touch 9 o'clock and then time the sun come out or they start roast. Yeah.
Tami, there's one part up here. We need to pick it up and stretch that part. It's big. Very big.
Dump truck. You know what a dump truck is?
Imagine him come up
She's like almost bigger than him.
Bus is here. Ah. Have a great day.
I'm only for them.
Alright, but we need to get on the bus. We can't worry about
On the
that.
bus.
They're going on the bus too.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Whew.